Which video is this intro for? Wardrobe? I'm not sure. One second. Diwali is done. Wardrobe. Okay. All of us need cleaning, but it is very tedious when you clean something and it gets dirty in 2 days. 2 days flat. And that's the thing that happened with my wardrobe. Like, I love organizing it, but in 2 days it's back. And I'm like, I spent 3 hours on you. Show some loyalty, at least stay like that for 3 days. But it won't. Hence, I decided that I am going to find a permanent solution, and I have done it. So I'm really excited to share it with all of you, and here it is.
So this is the precondition of the wardrobe. Now I actually had piles of clothes for separate purposes, like nightwear had its own pile and sportswear had its own pile, then all the fancy jackets had their own pile and jeans had their pile, but as you can see, the piles always fell down. However well structured I tried to keep it, they just fell down and then eventually mixed into each other like the last shelf. They were meant to be tops and everything, but it's just a whole mess. And trust me, I had just done my wardrobe 2 days back. So this all of this was utterly disappointing. But it eventually was the inspiration for this revolution. Hence, it's alright. So first, I start by just clearing all the stuff out and throwing everything on the ground. Literally, I just threw everything on the ground, leaving enough space for me to cut out the shelves. You will see soon. And yep, these are the kind of clothes I like, kind of wear at home, comfy clothes. Then I take a tissue paper and just clean the entire shelf, all the dust and mold. Now this is called a sunboard, and I'm using the sunboard to make shelves, that's partitions actually, in my whole big one container. And I use a measuring tape to measure the length and the breadth of the partition that I will need. And I know this is not a container, but I'm just not getting the right word. This huge shelf, I'm actually dividing this huge shelf into a lot of little compartments. And now as per our measurements, I'm just cutting out the partition boards that we will need. So the sunboard is not at all hard to work with. You just need to swipe your cutter 3 to 4 times on the line, that's the measurement, and that's it. You have a very sturdy piece of a thing which you can use everywhere, and this is how the final shelves look. Then I made some tabs and I stuck some glue drops behind them, like so. 3 glue drops on the top, and then I just put on the tabs on the wardrobe. Now, if you don't know what the glue drops are, then they are such ready-made drops of glue which are very sturdy, very, very sturdy. And yeah, I use them a lot because they're not messy, and this is what the tabs looked like. Then I just rolled all of my clothes back. Now, this is a very important point. I rolled each and every garment that I own into the respective compartments that they were made for. And yeah, that saved me a hell lot of space. And because of this technique, I had each and every clothing item in front of my eyes. Many times in the piles, some of your clothes fall back or fall to the side, and then you forget that you own them. But in this way, all your clothes are always in front of you, and now I never miss out anything. Like, I can get the best use out of it because it's in front of my eyes, so I'll wear it. Now my point in doing the entire thing was, see, also when you try to take something out of a pile, everything else falls. But as you just saw, I took out a roll of my top and it came out very easily. Now I'm just gonna clear out my second shelf, and this is actually more important than the first one. You'll see why. Cleaning it up, I now have made the partitions, and I'm using these tabs and putting them at the corners. Like, I have 2 tabs at the back, 2 tabs at the front, then 2 tabs at the lower back half. And see, this is why it doesn't move. If you'll notice, in the first shelf they have moved, like the skirts compartment had moved. So I then cleared out my bottom shelf, added tabs over there as well so that the partitions don't move. And then I stuck some newspaper behind. I just put some newspaper behind, and then put all of my clothes back, and I did the same thing to the second shelf. So adding those little tabs, I made those tabs from the sunboard itself, and just cut small rectangular pieces and stuck some glue drops. But actually I had to stick it with Fevikwik later on because the clothes are very heavy, so the glue drop did not hold it, so I stuck those tiny little tabs with Fevikwik. And then I stuck some, as in pushed some newspaper at the back, so these rolls never go back, fall back. And then I rolled all of my other garments and put them in place. The last compartment which you see now is for the goodie stuff like the leather jackets and foulards, which cannot be rolled into. So I just folded them properly and put them in the last compartment right there. The second shelf, the right end of the second shelf. Then, just with some Fevikwik and some sunboard, I actually divided my drawer into these many compartments so that my socks and my stockings and handkerchiefs, all of them could have their own separate compartments. Then taking some agarbatti stands, that's some simple wall hook, I got this from a hardware store. I stuck them onto my door, and do make sure you stick them right high above because these are for my belts, and I stuck them really low, which hindered the belt, like the cupboard couldn't shut. So stick them up very well high so that the length of the belt has its own space, and then I just go on and hang all of my belts on it. Now because my belts had been rolled up for so many years, they had such weird shape. So because it was so fluffy, my cupboard wouldn't shut, you'll see that soon, and hence I had to use this bit of lace and stick it and tame the belt so that my cupboard could shut. I look so very. I also made some chokers in the process while the Fevikwik was drying in some, bits and pieces. So I made 5 chokers which look like these. Now I am not making a separate video about these because I have essentially used the very simple technique which was all over YouTube, so I did not want to make repetitive content. So yeah, it's the same technique, just bought some these golden things from an imitation jeweler and put some bit of lace, and those are my chokers. So here is the final result. Ta-da! Now because the rolls are not of the same size, it does look slightly messy, but trust me, it just looks messy. It is the world's most organized wardrobe. Why, you may ask? Because it has over 100 pairs of clothes in your display which you can use anytime with the most ease, and they're never gonna get ruined. This arrangement is never gonna go faulty ever, 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 how much ever messy of a person you may be. Also, it is the easiest to manage because as in when your clothes come from the laundry, you just have to roll them and shove them in. Because if you have piles of different sizes, you have to fold them accordingly. But here, just roll and put it in. Now in my first shelf, I have my hats, camisoles and all of my jewelry on display. I have some perfume and makeup-y stuff at the back which I don't need at the moment. And I have my jewelry now which I did not actually have in my wardrobe, and now I wear it more often because it's in front of my eyes. I had to pile my camisoles because there was no place left in my sleeveless compartment, so only my camisoles have a different pile, and my hats needed to have a different pile because I couldn't exactly roll it, could I? I also have my favorite 2 soft toys and my big novel at the back and my iPhone box. Yeah. Now my second shelf has all of my jackets, throw-ons, scarf, homewear and pantaloons. Pantaloons is actually all of the different kind of bottom wears like trousers and jeans and everything under that category. Now I also did change the tags, if you may notice, because all of the colors of the clothes actually clashed with the colorful tags. Hence I shifted to a black and golden combination for the tags. Trust me, I am just literally so happy with this result because my wardrobe has never been this organized, and this clip that is seeing is 2 weeks later and it's still disorganized because I actually forgot to film the outro, like I forgot to film the final result. So this is the flipping 2 week later result, and see how good it is. Now this is my last shelf which has full sleeves, half sleeves and sleeveless tops. Like these are the three category because it usually depends on my mood which one I want to go for, and having them in separate sections just helps me solve that. And so there are sports clothes, all of them together, the bottoms and the tops. Then I have some skirts and some dresses. So actually doing this after a few years has helped me because a few years back I had no idea how much of these clothes I'll have. So right now, being in a more stable position in life, I don't want to sound like some sane person, but yeah, I now know I have a few skirts and more dresses, so I could actually partition them accordingly. Now lastly, for the belt section, this is how it looks. It looks so good. Like my mom loves this the most, like the belts on the door. And now we're just gonna check if this is seriously better than the last method or not. And I'm just gonna try and pull out one garment, and it came off so easily. That means it works. Unlike the huge pile of clothes previously. Now the key material that has actually aided, is that a word? Helped me throughout this process was Sunboard. The very material which I used for these partitions and to make these compartments as well. So there are like mainly two varieties of sunboard, a 5mm sunboard and a 3mm sunboard. Now I bought mine from Anupam, which actually cost 250 for 5mm and 125 for 3mm. But for all of you, I have got into talks with them to give all of us a 10% off. So now the 5mm one is just for 225 for us and 3mm for 110 for us. And I will leave the contact details below so you can call them up and ask them if they have these sunboards in the outlet nearest to your residence, because the one where I shop from all the time is the biggest one. It's in Borivali. It's right opposite to the Borivali railway station. But they have a hell lot of outlets. They have one in Andheri, Malad, Goregaon, everywhere that you can think of. So I'll just leave the contact details below, and you can ask them which is their nearest outlet and ask them if they have it, and then avail the discount by saying that you are from this channel. You just need to say you're from our channel, that is Haley Waits channel, and then you'll get this discount. Now you need not just use it for this purpose. Like sunboards are versatile, okay? You can use them for a heck lot of purposes. Also, I personally recommend the 3mm one because that one is surprisingly more sturdy. It is less bendable and hence it stays more straight all the time. Also, the material is so sturdy, and why I emphasizing on this is that I required just 4 sheets of sunboard, okay? And that amounts to 440 rupees, which is less than a fraction of the price of wood. Like if I would have asked my parents to get me wooden partitions, it would have cost us a lot of money. It would have been like definitely in thousands of rupees. And apart from that, all of the noise and carpentry and labor going on, and this was so blooming quick. Like I took a few days because I was doing it at my own pace, but if you start doing it, you will be done in one day. So this is how cost effective it is, very very cheap. And this is how big a sunboard is. That scale you saw was a 60 centimeter scale. So now you can know how big the board is. Approximately it measures 1 meter by half a meter. Now here's a cheeky little before versus after. And mind you, that was the condition of my wardrobe after 2 days, and this is the condition of my wardrobe after 2 weeks.
So I do hope you enjoyed it, and hopefully if you do this, maybe your parents will find bliss. That finally there's at least one corner of your room which isn't that cluttered. So I'll see you very very soon. Goodbye.